Hello again. The first question that we received is what is the remedē system and how does it work? And the remedē system works on a high level by restoring a normal breathing pattern. So normally the brain will send a signal via the phrenic nerves down to a number of respiratory muscles, including the diaphragm, that it's time to take a breath. So on a basic level, central sleep apnea is characterized by periods where there is a lack of breathing or very shallow breathing. The remedē system is an implant typically placed on the right side of the chest, similar to a pacemaker, that has very small wires placed in veins that stimulate the phrenic nerve. And then by stimulating the phrenic nerve to move the diaphragm can then restore a normal breathing pattern. So the device itself comes on automatically at a pre-programmed time at night if the patient's in a lying position. So there's a number of things that have to be met before the therapy activates at night. One of those is that it's the right time for a patient to be sleeping. Number two is that the patient has to be in a sleeping position, and everyone sleeps on more or less pillows, but that's able to be programmed for the individual patient. And then importantly, if a patient stays up late at night or they need to get up at night to have a snack or go to the restroom, the device automatically shuts off once the patient sets up. And then it will come again back on automatically when the patient lies back down to go to sleep.